Hola, ciao. Kelly Paratelli here. We are in Memphis, Tennessee, the volunteer state, which is the state that I was born in. I was actually born in Nashville, Tennessee. I haven't been to Memphis in a long time, but my grandma's actually buried here, so we're probably gonna go try and see her because I got a real good sister girl here who's gonna take me to her. Haven't seen her in years. My grandma Honey, my dad's mother, she passed away when I was 20. I'm 33 now, and it's been a long time since I've seen her grave, so we're gonna go there. But it's a beautiful day here in Memphis. We just drove north from Mississippi. We were in Grenada, Mississippi, just north of Jackson, and we drove straight north to Memphis. We're getting out, letting her dog take a walk, getting some fresh air, enjoying the sunshine and the southern weather. And it is still about 80 degrees here Fahrenheit, and we are loving the sun because we love the sun. That's what we do. Peace. And we're in downtown Memphis on 2nd Street in Beale, where all these old blues places are. B.B. King blues, rock and roll, excuse me, jazz and rock and roll. Everything relating to music, blues, jazz, and rock and roll. Right outside B.B. King Boulevard on Blue Street. All these rock and roll Hall of Fame, blues, jazz. This is really cool in Memphis, this Blue Street, where Elvis was from, and B.B. King and all these awesome jazz people. I would love to see live jazz. Anyways, it's a beautiful day here in Memphis. We're just doing some touristy souvenir shopping, walking up and down this beautiful street, and enjoying things. Ciao.